So the overall AI strategy for SolidWorks is built on one core conviction that the physical world runs on physics. So this is going to shape everything, including how our AI is built, how it reasons, and how it collaborates. This is a quote from Manish Kumar, the CEO of SolidWorks, and he is really passionate about these AI tools specifically as really kind of the cutting edge new generation of SolidWorks. So, and this quote says a lot about the approach. You may be used to the large language models of Claude or ChatGPT or some of the other ones out there. There's lots, but those are kind of the main ones. Well, this is not a large language model. So the standard LLM versus the industry world model. This is a really kind of dumb example, but it says a lot because we have a stool. We all know what a stool is. And our request is create a new stool design that is lighter than the current design. We have a standard LLM versus the industry world model, which is what SolidWorks is building their platform on. So what would happen if we just told ChatGPT to make this thing lighter? Well, it might do this. It technically satisfied the request by removing some weight. It made the thing lighter, but is this a usable stool? No. With the industry world model, what we're doing is utilizing physics to understand language requests, prompts, chat prompts, and then turn that into actual geometry, parametric models, simulation data, spec creation, you name it. There's all kinds of applications that the AI can then translate that information into usable CAD data. So that's a really big distinction between our standard LLM and our industry world model of SOLIDWORKS.